Digital marketing world. Every day, we spend time online, on social media, websites, or even watching videos. But do you ever wonder who helps businesses make sure their messages reach the right people? That's where a digital marketing expert comes in. What is a digital marketing expert? A digital marketing expert is someone who knows how to help businesses grow using the internet. They know how to use social media, websites, and even ads to get people interested in a product or service. SEO and ads, getting found online. One of the key things a digital marketing expert does is help businesses show up when people search online. They use SEO, search engine optimization, and ads to make sure that when you search for something, the business appears right in front of you. Social media, engaging with people. Social media is another tool experts use. They help businesses post fun and engaging content that connects with people like you and me. Whether it's on Instagram, Facebook, or even TikTok, social media helps build a community. Content creation, telling the story. Creating cool content is a big part of digital marketing. Experts make sure that the blogs you read or videos you watch from a business are interesting and helpful, so you want to keep coming back. Why digital marketing is important. So why does a digital marketing matter? It helps businesses find the right customers, reach more people, and grow online. Without it, businesses might struggle to get noticed or connect with their audience. Dial 4 Web, your digital marketing experts. Looking for a digital marketing expert? Dial 4 Web has you covered. Our team of experts knows how to help businesses succeed online, from SEO to social media and everything in between. Want to grow your business online? Contact Dial 4 Web today, and we'll show you how our digital marketing experts can make it happen. Contact Dial 4 Web today at +918527117507 and let's grow your business together. Visit our website www.dial4web.com to learn more. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and follow us for more tips on how digital marketing can help your business grow.